My topic this time is a VR online platform towards more realistic online meetings. So in 2006, 15 years ago, it seemed like yesterday, at the Venice Biennale, Italy, I came across an exhibit called Future Meeting Style. The proposal was that some attendees would participate face-to-face, while others would participate in the meeting online. The displays are not real devices, nor it's connected internet. It's a physical model. Since last year, because COVID-19, this way of meeting has become normal, like today. Since 2006, I'm trying to figure out how to share the 3D information needed for architectural design online. As part of a Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry project in Japan, Horamate and we developed a cloud-based virtual reality system that allows users to render 3D virtual spaces on the server side, share them online, and study designs. VR Cloud has been commercialized. This kind of system for sharing 3D digital models have now become commonplace in BIM and VR. Next, we addressed remote sharing of real objects. We proposed 3D remote sharing system of real objects using high-speed point cloud or mixed reality. Our system generates both sender and the city model as high-speed point cloud using RDVD camera. A receiver who is in a remote place like this, where the HoloLens first generation to participate sender's presentation while handling 3D models. Because a 3D model put on desk, another desk was also placed beside receiver. On the left is an image of a sender captured by Kinect and RDVD camera. And on the right is a high-speed point cloud imported into game engine. So this is the view from MR user we developed 3 years ago. The receiver could freely move about in a meeting room and understand the sender's movement and the scale model by high-speed point cloud. When a receiver moved, the appearance of sender and scale model changed from receiver's viewpoint in real time, which is impossible by 2D display, such as a video conference system. However, as the high-speed point cloud was transferred as a single object at this time, and the receiver couldn't manipulate each object. For example, receiver couldn't manipulate only the physical model. Also, it was not possible for multiple MR users to share the high-speed point cloud. This is another application that allows participants at a remote site to virtually visit a laboratory at the university open campus. The laboratory is created using BIM, and one participant, A, is rapidly converted to 3D using a real-time point cloud, like this, and combined with BIM model, while the other participant, B, can remotely experience participant A in the laboratory. Okay, this is the video we presented at the ECADI 2020 last year. We have already divided the point cloud into several objects depending on the distance, and furthermore, several users can sharing the same object, same real object. This video shows the result of a receiver manipulating a point cloud object of the windmill. Now, receiver B is manipulating the point cloud object. In this way, the result of one receiver's manipulation can reflect the view of other receivers in real time for multiplayer use. Furthermore, we are now developing a system that classifies objects by instance segmentation of deep learning and manipulates objects individually. So then, this is my proposal for this year. What we do in this year, we are online platform. So as you as we can use with conference system such as Zoom, difficult to discuss multiple topics simultaneously. If participants enter a breakout session, they can discuss each topic, but they cannot see what is going on in other private rooms. The encounters and conversations at the workshop, get-togethers, and other events in real world are diverse. Then web conference systems that are closer to real world are emerging. The participants can move freely in the virtual space. Participants' voice strengths and weakness depend on the distance between users, so they can talk with nearby users, but not with distant ones. It is close to the actual feelings. For the average user, it is still difficult to manipulate a three-dimensional space. Then, since it's 2D plane like 3D, it's easy to operate. Common features with web conference systems, such as Zoom, include screen sharing, image and video file sharing, announcement to the entire space, and chatting. So in this summer workshop, I consider what kind of features are needed for online platform in addition to this, either on F8 BPS, format virtual platform system, or another platform such as GetAtown. For general user, that means business person but unfamiliar with VR, the platform should have a following minimum requirement. The user can also use a smartphone, even if it's in beta now. And a simple interface, very important, that use arrows, for example. And crisp operation with minimal delay. Latency problem is should be solved. So the left one is format virtual platform system I would like to use, and right bottom one is GetAtown used on the smartphone. It's already implemented by the level of development. Then when I use around here, every furniture appeared, but when I move to another place, due to the LOD, all the furniture will decrease to keep the crisp operations. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.